Okay, remember these formulas? These formulas are on the formula sheet. You need to know which one does which. Please pay attention to this part. This one here works for all shapes, whether they're regular or not. These three here, I call them ice. Okay, ice. Only work with regular shapes. Only with regular shapes. Now, let's see if you're awake when I teach. I feel like I'm just talking to myself sometimes. What is a regular polygon? What would we define as a regular polygon? What are we looking for? There are two things that need to be true. Anyone? Previous page tells you that. I hope it's in your notes. Yes, Sam? That's right. So only then can you use ice. So if it's a regular polygon, you may use it all you want. What does that mean? S and D, what's up with S and D? S works with any polygon. It doesn't have to be regular. D, the number of diagonals, also works. Whether or not it's regular, it doesn't matter. But ice only works with regular. Okay. Rice. Regular polygons, you can use ice. Rice. Anyways, I'm trying things. So what I want you to do today is I want you to practice using these formulas and labeling. Ice in particular, you can see them, you can label them. Watch this. We did that yesterday. I is the interior angle. Just go to one of the corners and label I. E, extend one of the sides, make a little arc. That's your exterior angle. Central is just, it spans one side. Okay? So you got to make sure it spans one side. If it doesn't, then you're in trouble. Okay? So let's go and I'm going to ask you to use those formulas on page 52. If you did 52, continue with your journey. So I want you to, for all of these, I want you to label, if you can, label ice and calculate psyched. What does that mean? I want you to find the sum of all interior angles, the measure of one interior, the measure of one central, exterior, and diagonal. I need you to know how to use the formulas. The number one step is finding n. What is n in this case? What is n in our formulas, guys? The number of sides. Thank you. That's the beauty of a polygon. If it's regular, if you just know the number of sides, you can come up with angles. Like, that's very unique, right? It can give you a blank diagram and you can figure it out yourself. So go ahead and figure out how many sides it has. I would suggest put a check mark on the side you're starting to count with. Come back, make sure you don't double count that one, and calculate all of those. And I will be back in a bit going over that. Or do you need me to do it? No? Yes? No? Okay. You try it. The formulas are right next door, so you don't have an excuse. If you rather want to look at your formula sheet and use those, that is totally fine. Okay? N is the number of sides. But I'm telling you, these ones will show up. Polygons are very popular. So give it a try. I'm going to come by and see how you're doing. A couple minutes, and then we'll resume.